Good day. You are welcome to my home. You are welcome to our land where nothing is impossible. If you want to be victorious in life, please stop making complication. Stop making complication. I know most people, when they are trying to help you spiritually, they end up duplicating your work. They end up duplicating your problems. Please remember, there's someone that watched over Israel. There's someone that watched over you. He neither sleep nor slumber. He's awake while you are sleeping. He's awake. He listens to you. He listens to even your heartbeats. He knows the number of your hair. Why making things complicated for yourself? When friends were calling me, looking for solutions to their problems, I give them the code number of God. I want to review the code number of God. If you can dial the number, can you dial the number? I will give you the code number of God. Number one thing that God doesn't want us to do, you should learn how to keep quiet when you are in trouble. Learn how to control your emotion when you are in trouble. I will still tell you the code number of God. Number two, just try to lean on God. Lean on God alone. Lean upon Him. And He is more than able. He will do and undo. He will do perfectly whatever you desire of Him. There's nothing possible that He cannot do. He's the God of all impossibility. Yes, I'm still talking about the code number of God. Please, if you want to be victorious in life, hold your mouth. Hold your mouth. Keep quiet while others are talking. You will get what they are saying. For me to review the code number of God, please follow me on my next episode because the time given to me is off. God bless you.